and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline van in the short wheelbase. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely van comes pre-regged with only delivery miles on it. It comes in a beautiful paint colour, pure grey, finished in solid paint, and across the front of the vehicle it features some very nice front parking sensors as well as some front fog lamps with a cornering function. For more style and aesthetically pleasing finish, there are some twin chrome stripes, as well as the front bumper being colour matched to that lovely pure grey colour. Below some lovely transporter badging on the wings sits the very stylish 16-inch Clayton silver alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin spoke star design. The vehicle benefits from having electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors, as well as a single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle. This van is a little bit different as it hasn't yet been ply lined, nor does it have a bulkhead, which makes it the perfect camper conversion spec, a perfect blank canvas to start a camper conversion on. There is of course a step making access into and out of the side of the vehicle incredibly easy. The vehicle itself is powered by a 2-litre TDI diesel engine and is accompanied with a DSG Automatic gearbox. Towards the rear of the vehicle, it comes with a tailgate with a heated rear windscreen, behind which we can take a look at that load area, which again comes with a factory fresh finish. There are some lashing points dotted throughout the load area, useful for securing those heavy or even fragile loads if you choose to do so. On the outer side of the tailgate, there is a rear view camera dotted just above the rear number plate. And along that body coloured rear bumper is a line of rear parking sensors, useful for navigating every parking situation. Let's take a look inside the cab, where we'll take a look at some of the interior features. Behind the driver's door, the driver is greeted with a very lovely 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, along with a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system. There is a single passenger seat up front, and the driver's seat is almost identical, featuring twin armrests. So ladies and gentlemen, that will finish the 360 walk around. Do stick around, as later on in the video we'll explore that interior in much greater detail. However, if you have seen something that you like, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you for sticking around, joining me now in the cab. Moving to the 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This allows the driver to have a more hands-on driver experience. Here we can see selecting the adaptive cruise control option, selecting our desired speed, and then the distance between the vehicle in front. The driver also has access to the audio controls at their disposal. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, the driver can choose which desired radio station or track they want, and on the left hand side is the volume up and volume down buttons. The vehicle also features App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favorite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The vehicle also features a wide and varied list of different radio stations, including some DAB radio stations as well. Passenger or driver can also choose to connect with the Bluetooth audio function. Down below the touchscreen are some of the parking controls as well as the toggle buttons. Once that reverse gear has been selected, that lovely rear view camera feed will display on the touchscreen itself. The vehicle features a front and rear heated windscreen, perfect for those colder months, as well as climatic air conditioning for those warmer months as well. In the rest of the cab is ample legroom, and very comfortable seating is provided in the bricks woven fabric, finished in a lovely titanium grey and palladium black. So ladies and gentlemen, that will fully complete this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter short wheelbase. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.